This is the Utrecht Artists Oil Paint CMY Mixing Colors set. With this set, you can approach color theory from a different perspective by making cyan, magenta, and yellow your primary colors instead of the traditional red, yellow, and blue. Why would you do that? Color mixing can sometimes be a challenge for artists. This set was created to prove that you don't need to be an expert or own every color to create a full spectrum palette. This is a great way to improve your color mixing strategies, expand your palette, and unlock a deeper understanding of color theory. CMY are the only colors you need to create a full range of strong, vibrant secondary colors. Like all Utrecht colors, this set offers excellent purity for precise color mixing. Mix brighter greens and more vibrant purples without the need for additional warm and cool colors. Experiment by mixing on the palette or with optical mixing on the canvas to discover new expressions of light and color in your work. Start exploring the world of color with the Utrecht Artists Oil Paint CMY Mixing Colors set.